So, Mr. Powe, it's been a long time that the court has been dealing with you. I've seen many sides of you. I hope you really listened to the statements of the family members and the friends today that spoke. I hope that you understand truly what you did. Your actions ripped a man from his family and obviously left what can only be called a gaping loss. I never met Mr. Roukey, but from having read the dozens of letters that were sent to me, I also watched his daughter's video that she made in tribute to him. I believe I've learned much about the person that you killed. And his family and friends described him as a family man, a ball of light, a softball and baseball super fan, a devoted son and son-in-law, a faithful friend, a loyal brother, a loving and devoted husband, and especially a wonderful father. Countless people have written to me to tell me about a time when they felt that they were hesitant or unsure about something that was happening in their life. They were lacking confidence or feeling low. And Chris Roukey shared his kindness with them and lifted them out of their problem. So it's quite apparent that on May 2nd of 2021, a shining light was snuffed out. What a loss to this community. Your evil action cannot bring back Chris. And while I do commend you for now pleading guilty to committing this murder, this court is also aware of how long and hard you fought to escape accepting such responsibility. I do want to say to family that from everything I've learned about Chris, obviously I did not know him, but I can say this to Madison and Tyler, I'm sure he would want you to stay strong, keep moving, excel in your sports and school, and continue to try to find joy in life. Ask for help if you need it, but keep looking for the good in this world. And for you, Mr. Powe, for the reasons that I've stated, I find that you are truly deserving of this sentence that I impose upon you now. I'm going to order that you pay the cost of this prosecution, finding that you will be indigent and incarcerated. I will enter judgment for that amount, but I will not allow it to be collected at a rate greater than $5 a month while you are in prison. As to case number ending in number 2188, which was assault on a peace officer, felony of the 4th degree, I will sentence you to 1 year in the Ohio State Penitentiary. As to the case number ending in 0563, possession of a deadly weapon while under detention, a felony of the 1st degree, I will sentence you to 11 to 16 and a half years in the Ohio State Penitentiary. As to the case number entering in 0749, the felonious assault charge, a felony of the 2nd degree, I will sentence you to 8 to 12 years in the Ohio State Penitentiary. Pursuant to the plea negotiation, I will run all of those sentences concurrent with each other. As to the 1791 case, count 1 murder, I will sentence you to life in prison with the possibility of parole after 15 years. I will also sentence you to 3 years for the attached gun specification. That is all mandatory time. In count 5, carrying concealed weapon, felony of the 4th degree, I will order forfeiture of the weapon in question, which I believe would go to the Akron Police Department. And Mr. Baumel, I'll ask you to give that information to the, so we can write that in the journal entry. And I will sentence you to 1 year on that. And to count 6, the improper handling charge, a felony of the 4th degree, I will also sentence you to 1 year. I will run those 2 one-year sentences concurrent to each other, but consecutive to the 18-year sentence attached to the life in prison sentence. That's a total of 19 years before you are eligible for parole.